Hello everyone. Today we are going to study subject geography standard 9th lesson number 5 precipitation video number 15. Welcome students. Today we will start with the new lesson number 5 precipitation. See, can you tell activity is given? Observe the picture given below. A sentence describing the picture has been given. You describe the picture by writing some additional sentence. Discuss the questions. See, if you observe the first picture, you will see that dewdrops are appear on the blade of grass. Okay, the blade of grass look like this on winter morning. If you observe this in the early in the morning in winter season, this type of droplets, water droplets on the grass appears like a shining pulse and seen only in early morning walkers in forest or on the grass experience the good amount of water as their shoes or clothes near feet get wet. Means early in the morning in winter season you will observe this type of dewdrops on the blade of grass. Means from where does the water on the blade of grass come? Here the water comes, means here condensation take place, that is water vapors are near the earth surface. This type of condensation take place. Water vapors are turned into small water droplets. See the next is picture is given snowfall. See, snow is found everywhere in the winter in the Kashmir, mainly during in the winter season in the Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. Snowfall occur because during winter snow is seen everywhere in Kashmir. Snow falls on the trees, buildings, streets and the houses. It appears that entire region is wrapped under the white blanket. Tourists also visit Kashmir purposely during winters to enjoy snow and snowfall. Means this Jammu and Kashmir is located on the high altitudinal region. That's why mainly in the winter season the temperature of the high altitudinal region is dropped down. So that's why snowfall is occur in this region. See, next is given rainfall. In generally it rains between June and September in our region. Okay, how do the rain drops occur? Here condensation take place, means water vapors are turned into water droplets and the rainfall is occur. See, next picture is given fog. In London there is a fog like this till the afternoon in winters. Means because London is also located at the high altitudinal region and London experiences fog till late afternoon during winter season. Fog reduces visibility and hence the Parliament building, other buildings on London Tower across Thames rivers are not clearly visible. You can see in the picture this is not clearly seen, here clearly visible. It appears as if London is wrapped under clouds. Still the afternoon in the London this type of fog is appear because fog is London is located at the higher altitudinal region. See, the latitudinal location is very important for this type of climate. You see, next picture is given about the hail. Sometimes hailstones destroy the standing crops in fields. Means hail shower causes damage to crops. Hails damage houses, trees, vehicles, electric poles and cables. Here, hails are also dangerous to humans, animals and birds. Hailstones can destroy standing crop and farmers suffer. Hails also destroy horticulture orchards like orange, grapes and other crops also. So these are the pictures are given here and these are all the forms of precipitation. See, the next point is given near about 78%, means near about 79%, yeah, 70.8% part of the earth's surface is full of water. Our earth is occupied, means 70.8% of area is occupied by water. That's why our earth is also known as the blue planet. And the distribution of water is very uneven. At some places the water storage is limited while it is ample at other places. Means water is not distributed evenly. Somewhere water storage is limited, yeah, somewhere ample, means plenty of water is available. For example, in the northern area Ganga river flows in that region, water is plenty, but in the Rajasthan desert is there, so limited water is there, water storage is limited. Means what is that? The distribution of water is very uneven on the surface of the earth. This is the example given in India, but you can see Dubai, yeah, Iran, Iraq, these countries have limited water sources, but oil wells are there. Means water is unevenly distributed. So we see experience the different forms of condensation as shown in the pictures above, and all this figure number 5.1 we have seen that about the dewdrops, then snowfall, then rainfall, fog, and hailstorms. Means as the atmospheric conditions change, we see change in the forms of condensation. On winter morning we find dew. In areas located at the higher altitude, snowfall occurs while it rains in the other places. Means these are the forms of precipitations are there, and some places experience dense fog while some experience hailstones suddenly and face crop destruction. So first see what is the precipitation. Here water falls in the cold, solid or liquid state from the clouds to the ground. Means here water falls from the in the solid or liquid state from the sky or from the atmosphere to the ground. It is called precipitation. And snow, hailstones, rainfall are the major forms of precipitation. You can see in the picture. In the first picture rainfall is given, in the second hailstorm is given, third fog is given, and fourth these are the snowfall is given. Means all these are the forms of precipitation. The major forms of precipitations are rainfall, snowfall, and hailstones. So first we will see what is the snowfall. Yeah, snow is given here. Means you can see the picture is given here. What is the snowfall is given? Okay, means when the temperature in the atmosphere falls below the freezing point, water vapor directly turns into snowflakes. You can see how that region is covered with the snowfalls. That is the sublimation is take place. Means what is the sublimation here? Water vapors are in the gaseous form, but that it will turn into the solids too. Solid snow is there. Means when the temperature in the atmosphere falls below the freezing point, water vapors directly turn into snowflake. Yeah, solid state is there. Water vapors are turned into solid state. It is called the sublimation. Means here the vapor in the form of gas transform into solid snow, and precipitation in the form of solid particles of snow is known as snowfall. You can see the picture is given here. 5.2 snowfall is given. So precipitation in the form of solid particles of snow is known as snowfall. In high latitudinal and temperate regions, snowfall occurs. Means mainly this snowfall is occur in the high altitudinal, yeah, high latitudinal region. Means latitudinal region is there, that is the 66 degree to 90 degree north pole, yeah, south pole is there, and temperate region is also there. And snowfall also occur at the mean sea level while in tropical areas. Means you can see, take the example of the Himalaya. In the Himalayan region, Jammu Kashmir receives the snowfall because Jammu and Kashmir is located at the higher altitude, yeah, above, higher than the snow line altitude. That's why snowfall is occur in the Jammu and Kashmir. And what are the uh, effects of the snowfall? Means as snow is the solid form, it does not flow like water. We have already learned about the work of the river, means how the river flows. But the solid is in snow is in solid state, so it does not flow like a water. So layers of snow get deposited. When the snow accumulate on a large scale, then the transport system, yeah, communication system of that area collapse. You can see in this picture how the vehicles are standing in a line only. Means this is the snow transportation system collapse. So because of this, snow is accumulated on the roads. That's why transport system, yeah, communication system is of that area collapse, and people living in those regions have to protect themselves from force bite. And when the snow melts, this region gets water. Means during the rainy season this region fed by rainwater, and in the summer season this snow is melting, so this region is also get the water. Means here what is the, these people also protect the skin. Frostbite meant what? Freezing of skin, and it's a upper tissue because of very cold temperature. And tourists going to snow covered regions face frostbite So many of time, generally it affects hands, legs and skin of the face. So severe frostbite can be affect skin, tissues and can even reach the bones. So this is the effects of snowfall also. So you can see, observe in the picture also how the transportation and communication system is also collapse, and you can see on the trees branches this is also covered with the snowfall. So in the next video we will learn about remaining major forms of precipitation, hail and rainfall.